How to get Netflix for free without paying. Netflix plans suck probably the most. I'm not a lethal fan of Netflix, however I've some superior concepts which can enable you to get Netflix at no cost of value. The truth is, one in all my associates is utilizing Netflix free perpetually. Who doesn't use Netflix? Every good friend circle has at the least one good friend who spends more often than not with drinks and popcorns watching Stranger Issues or Associates. After the Netflix trial interval has been utilized by your good friend, you'll begin getting messages like, "Hey buddy, share me your Netflix account." I've been getting DMs on my Instagram, after which I got here up with this concept, and now these concepts are under. Scroll the display and take a look at it. Netflix has dozens of authentic exhibits, blockbuster motion pictures, net collection, and plenty of extra. All of us love to look at it, however the one barrier that comes right here is the subscription plans. And it's apparent that these providers are priced. However, not everybody can afford Netflix subscription plans. There are few people who find themselves actually determined to search out the way to get Netflix at no cost perpetually. I've just a few concepts which can enable you to, in the interim and utilizing that technique, you may get a Netflix account. I've learned plenty of articles earlier than scripting this one for the free Netflix, however the outcomes confirmed me plenty of methods to get free Netflix, however some factors have been widespread and some websites point out some concepts which have been actually bizarre, and these concepts by no means labored. So, I assume to give you the clustered data for free Netflix. So, right here I'm mentioning the working methods for free Netflix. How to get Netflix for free. Methods to get Netflix at no cost? I don't know about you, however this query is most regularly been requested by my associates, neighbors, and colleagues. Hey, do you've gotten a Netflix account? Please share your password. Netflix has a superb craze and good enterprise technique, little doubt. All of us want Netflix at no cost, and you'll actually use it at no cost, however you should know these concepts which can enable you to get free Netflix. These methods will lead you to get Netflix for free. Everyone knows that typically, Netflix is free for 1 month, and if we nonetheless hold watching it for greater than a month they auto cost. You'll be able to cancel the Netflix trial earlier than the month end comes. Legally you may use it for a month and no more than that. However, you may technically use it for greater than a month with completely different fee strategies. Apart from this, let's take a look at extra methods to get Netflix at no cost. Number 1. The trial interval. If a new person makes use of Netflix for the first time, he's given the 1 month-to-month subscription at no cost. And if the person continues to make use of the plan, he will probably be charged. This is likely one of the commonest and well-known strategies to get Netflix at no cost. You should use completely different fee gateways and may enter Netflix without charge. Number 2. Await the fortunate mail. This completely depends upon the fortunate mail. After I was having my analysis on this text, I noticed just a few articles which have been claiming which you can obtain a fortunate mail. And for that, you must wait. This may work generally and generally not. You need to await greater than 30 days to get a mail once more from them about trial interval extent. When you get a mail, you may watch Netflix for a month extra, and that too free. Sure, you learn it, proper? Free. This may work, name Netflix buyer companies. I've not personally tried this, however I feel that this technique may also work. Simply name the customer support and give them a very good cause, in order that they will prolong your trial interval. Give any cause, the rationale ought to be smart. I too didn't find out about this technique, however after I got here throughout Money Pantry's article, then I got here to find out about this. Number 3. Share plans. That is normally been seen within the good friend circle. You probably have associates who can't stay without Netflix, then you may request them to share their Netflix account and password. Good communication expertise can get you that. That is solely potential in case your good friend or any member of the family has opted for a premium or customary plan. As a result of the customary plan has 2 screens and the premium one has 4. Be certain that family and friends for share plans must be in the identical family. From the predominant dashboard of Netflix, you may handle your profiles, and this will probably be useful in order that the advice listing will not be bin jumbled and the person can watch in any way he needs. Sharing plans is de facto one of many finest strategies for getting Netflix for zero value. Number 4. Coupons. These are websites that present Netflix coupons. And believe me, they actually work. A lot of these websites will enable you to get promo codes, coupons, reductions, and much more. Simply take a look for this, and also you may get a free Netflix or you'll get superb coupons offers to buy Netflix. Right here is the listing of coupon websites for Netflix. Hope you've gotten checked out these websites. These are actually superb. In case you are wanting ahead to shopping for a Netflix subscription, be sure you try these websites. As a result of these websites have some low-cost coupons which actually work, and through that, you may avoid wasting cash. Number 5. Reward card. The place to get these present playing cards for Netflix? You'll be able to purchase these present playing cards for yourself, or can ask your mother or dad to present it to you. In that present card, you'll get an 11-digit code, and through that, you may enter your Netflix account. These present playing cards may be bought on e-commerce websites like Amazon, Walmart, retailers, and so on. These are solely out there at a specific time and nation. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.